Here you can see the 360-degree walk. Through to do that, go to designing and click on images/videos, select 360-degree walkthrough and select the resolution and ambient light and environment. And rotate the view. You can change the camera properties like height of camera. Set the camera view and place the camera in the middle of the room, so that every wall corner will cover, and you can change the camera height and save the angle also. Click on Generate. It will give the quality as per your resolution. Here you can see the walkthrough.